started in the sacred dust, where the ancient rivers flow.
India and Thailand, with 1,000 miles to go.
One bold, one rogue, a heart that wouldn't shake,
carrying the Dhamma
in every choice they'd make. It wasn't just 100 days across the western sand. It's a bridge of golden light connecting every land. Oh, it's a journey of the heart, one step at a time, from the quiet forest path to the mountain we must climb. Peace is not a destination, it's the way we choose to be. Walking for the world and walking to be free. Through the southern belt they travel, past the stadium and the field.
In the silence of the morning,
A deeper truth revealed. Compassion isn't just a thought,
it's a hand held open wide.
in the churches and the temples,
There's nowhere left to hide. Every soul is longing for a moment of the pose, finding beauty in the stillness that the weary traveler knows.
and came a teacher on 4 quiet paths. No hunger for the glory,
No need for the applause.
from the streets of old Calcutta, Aloka found a light.
A stray who chose a path, the light that started to shine.
He crossed the deep blue ocean
Just to show us how to stay faithful to the truth, and every mile and every day.
standing at the Capitol, beneath the marble dome.
Ancient wisdom found a spark and finally reached its home.
Not a protest,
Not a power,
just a sea of different names, gathered in the quiet.
putting out the angry flames.
The light of Calcutta, walking calmly through the crowd.
A message spoken softly, but it echoed long and loud. Oh, it's a journey of the heart, one step at a time, from the quiet forest path to the mountain we must climb. Peace is not a destination, it's the way we choose to be. Walking for the world and walking to be free.
The walk doesn't end
In the city of the brave, it's in the way we listen, it's in the love we gave. It begins again tomorrow, when the sun begins to rise, in the kindness of our voices and mercy in our